going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get free Amazon gift card codes in 2023. Now, these Amazon gift cards are completely free. It takes a few minutes to get, and it just gives you a simple code, and you can redeem it within the Amazon app or online, and it's going to credit your Amazon account at balance to spend on anything you want. Now, this method is by far the best and easiest way that I've managed to find, and trust me, guys, I searched for hours, and yeah, I thought, hey, I found a working way, so why don't I share it with all of you? So this tutorial, I'm going to be sharing my screen, and I'll be putting it here on here like a screen recording, and hopefully you can follow along, and it will make it so much more easy for you. So one thing to note, guys, grab your mobile phone for this. It's easier to do on your mobile, so I highly recommend you use your phone. So let me just kick off the screen recording here. Okay, so you need to go to Google and type in Google Hotshot Codes. So you can see they're all one word, Hotshot Codes, and you need to look for hotshotcodes.com, which is the #1 coupon site. So just tap that to open it up. And you can also go to www.hotshotcodes.com, and you're looking for this website here. Now, when you reach the website, guys, there is obviously a ton of different stuff on this page, not just Amazon. So scroll down here until you find the Amazon page, and it's easily recognizable by the Amazon logo. So you can see here Amazon promo and coupon codes. Now let's open this up. This has been used hundreds of times and been rated 4.9 stars, so it's pretty good codes. Scroll down, and here we go. We've got some codes to choose. There's a 50% off your next order Amazon code. There is a 50% off, there's a $100 off your next order, 50% off, and there is also a 6-month Amazon Prime membership code. So just choose which code you want. In this case, we're going to get the $100 off code, or alternatively it's called a gift card code as well, because you can enter this into the gift card page on the Amazon app, and it's going to credit you the $100, or you can do it at the basket. So let's click on show coupon code. You can see this is a $100 off coupon code, and it's been verified today and used. But we need to unlock the full code here, guys. So tap this unlock now button. And you can see this is sort of a verification step, completely normal. This just protects the codes from robots. You can read through this to help you out, but basically, guys, we just need to complete 2 of these offers, all completely free, as you can see. And there is also a description below each one on how to complete the offer. So this one is a survey for Argos. I'm just going to click on that, follow the steps here, and I'll need to input my email address. So you can see there's also a bunch of Amazon Prime ones. Amazon's obviously a legit website. This is just like a trial to start. So I'm going to do 2 of these, and I'll be back, and we'll see if it gives me the code. So bear with me, guys. Okay, guys, so like I just said, I completed both of those tasks, and making sure you fully complete them. If you choose a survey, make sure you put in your correct information, guys, your email address and whatever it asks, because this does verify that you're actually a real person. So once you've done those, so I completed 2 of them, I'm going to press the tabs button here on the bottom right, go back to Hotshot Codes, and there you go, it's given me my code. So this code, I can either enter it into the redeem gift card code page on Amazon, or I can even just enter it into the checkout, and it's going to remove $100. Either way, just make a copy of this. I know it's formatted a bit strange on this page, but yeah, just make a copy of it, write it down, or copy and paste it. When you enter it, like I say, it's going to credit you $100 or remove $100 off your account. That is how easy it is, guys. These codes can only be used once, so this one is my code, but you're going to have to go to Hotshot Codes to get yours. Very easy, guys. Make sure you hit the like button if I helped you get some codes. Let's see how many codes I managed to get you and how much money we managed to save as a community. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.